Hi friends, welcome to RR Digital. Today we'll discuss about the Spark interview questions and answers. What is the difference between a Spark context and a Spark session? So Spark context before a Spark 2x, like Spark 1x version, they used a Spark context concept. So basically the driver program always it will use the Spark context to connect cluster and it will help to execute your Spark jobs. Also, it will manage resources like yarn or meshes. Using Spark context, we will get access to other contexts also like SQL context and Hive context also. So in Spark 1x we have three contexts, okay? Spark context, SQL context and Hive context. So using a Spark context, even we can access SQL context and Hive context also. Also, Spark context was the entry point of any Spark application before 2x. And it is the main channel to access all the Spark functionality like operations or methods or functions we can use in a Spark. All it will come with the Spark context. Also, we can use like broadcast variables, accumulators, parallelize. These all default it will come with a Spark framework. So and coming to Spark session they introduced in a Spark 2x version onwards. And Spark session basically it is the entry point for all Spark functionalities. All functionalities available with the Spark context are also available with the Spark session. So using a Spark session, you can access a Spark context, you can access a Hive context, you can access a SQL context. So Spark session is a single entry for all these contexts. Okay, so here in this diagram we can see, so earlier Spark 1x we have three contexts: Hive context, SQL context, Spark context. Okay, so for SQL and Hive context, Spark context is a superset. So using Spark context we can access Hive context and SQL context also. But now in latest version using Spark session we can access all these three. Even you can access Spark context, Hive context, SQL context. So Spark session is a superset for all these three. So this is the major difference between a Spark context and a Spark session. Thanks for watching this video. Bye friends.